Versatile all-purpose paper towels, good for drying hands, wiping surfaces and cleaning up spills. Efficient sheets per roll help reduce runouts and refills. Hygienic one-hand dispensing helps avoid dispenser contact. Convenient because the small-size dispenser fits in tight spaces. Best results achieved when used with Sofpull Junior Capacity Centerpull Paper Towel Dispensers 53009 and 58008. Sofpull Centerpull paper towels are soft for thorough, gentle hand drying, yet strong and absorbent for light cleanups. And because these towels are thick and high quality, employees and patrons tend to take fewer, helping to reduce waste. The dispenser's one-at-a-time design helps reduce waste and, because contact with the dispenser is minimized, can improve hygiene. The dispenser is designed to not only dispense one at a time, every time, but also it's easy to load a fresh roll with one hand, saving on maintenance time. Use these premium paper towel systems in restrooms, break rooms, waiting rooms, food preparation areas and more. GP Pro is a division of Georgia-Pacific Consumer Products. We deliver well-designed, durable and easy-to-maintain professional solutions to meet the handwashing and cleaning needs for a range of business applications. Top reviews from the United States. Ordering these for a while now and they never disappoint. Definitely worth a few extra dollars for this. Have been ordering these for a while now and they never disappoint. Definitely worth a few extra dollars for this higher quality towel in my office restrooms. The towels feel and act high quality and don't have that feel of a cheap towel. Just take an extra minute in making sure you have the right towel size for your given machine holder, and these towels will never disappoint.